welcome back to our channel. Yeah, again I made the miniature album. I don't know why, but nowadays I love to create the miniatures. I will also add the links of the miniature albums in description. If you guys like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, I'm taking a pattern paper, print the photos in a given size, glitter foam sheet, OHP sheet, white chart, and mirror sheet. Sequence, I mix the red and gold one, double-sided tape, glue and scissor. I will leave the products link in the description. Take the white chart in given sizes and fold this out in half centimeter on both sides. Repeat the same steps on other two. Stick it using a glue. Now I'm taking a pattern paper. Now we are going to stick the pattern papers in a strip. Actually, I printed these pattern papers. I will leave the links for the pattern paper in description. I created these pattern papers in Pixar. You can also create your own. I will leave the app link in description. Now I'm taking a scoring tool to make a hole in our scrapbook. Fold it into half. Now stick the photos using a glue. Our first card is ready. Let's make two other cards. Draw the lines in given measurement. Stick the photo. Now I'm going to cover the plain space with the pattern paper. I cut out a heart and glitter foam sheet. Our pouch card is ready. Divide it into 4 halves. Score the lines so that you can easily fold it. sticking photos, but you can write your quotes or personal messages also. Our tag code also ready. Let's stick this in our scrapbook. In first page, I'm going to add some images. Fold this at 1 centimeter on 3 sides. Now stick this in our scrapbook. I'm gonna add some stickers. I stick this using a double-sided tape. Now I'm going to stick the pouch card. It looks little bit boring. Let's add some stickers. Take the glitter foam sheet and cut out the inner circle. Cut out the mirror sheet in given measurement and also cut the inner circle. Stick the OHP sheet using a glue. Stick the double-sided foam tape. Add some sequin. I made this roasty and this cute little bow also. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. I'm adding the sequin glass ball. This one is completely optional. I love to add sequin balls on bottles. It will give more look to our scrapbook. Our scrapbook is ready. like this video. If you guys try this